Good day, everyone. Welcome back to BST African Electron Surgery. We have a laptop that is coming um, from a customer who is working under Zimbabwe Republic Police. The laptop looks like this. It's an Acer Aspire, Acer TravelMate P253 E series. That's the model of this Acer laptop. It's some kind of common laptop. You know the mystery with Acer laptops. When they were being given at zero deposit to civil servants, most of the civil servants, they are using this model of laptops. So what this laptop is doing, um, let's see. This has to be an easy fix because we fixed this model many times. It is taking 7 milliamps. Here we have the blue light, which indicates maybe the battery is fully charged, but pressing the power, the laptop is dead. That is the problem of this laptop. We do have the charging light, but the laptop is not responding when you press the power on button. So I'm suspecting we have a faulty switch. But let's see. Let's take out the keyboard. Yes, the keyboard is out. Let's try something. Let's put back the power supply. And let's try to power this machine by a tweezer. Maybe you can't do it. I'm shorting pins on the switch connector. And the laptop is on. So we have a faulty switch. Exactly what I told you. The laptop just come on and it's taking 1.6 amps. Oh. So this switch is faulty. One second. So basically here we have a faulty switch. The laptop is on because you short the pins. You know the condition for a laptop to start, just short 3.3 to ground. And the laptop is on, but with the switch is not working. So we have to fix the switch button. So I would say let me take out all the screws and we have a look on the switch button. All screws are out. So our problem is this. You have to take this panel. Let's have a look on this panel. Microscope. So that's the panel. Very dirty. Like liquid damage. I don't know what is this. Huh? So why this switch button is not responding? But I can hear the pressing of the button. Huh? Let's try basics just to clean. Okay. This looks like the wall sensor. Let's check. This is ground. So I'll press the switch. I want to test the switch. If it's still working, I'll put one probe on the ground and the other one on the plus. Pressing is beeping, releasing is not. So this button is good. Hopefully we can fix this.
Hello.
So let's see now. Let's see now after cleaning. Pressing the switch. It's not responding. We still have a dead switch. So what you can check here. What voltage do we have here? Volts 2.86 here, 3 point, 2 point, 4 point, here. Yes, we must have 3.3, and the 3.3 is missing. 2 volts, 3 point, 2 point. I need a tweezer. I need a tweezer. I'll stick one to the ground and one here. Okay. Let's unplug. The laptop is on. Let's test again. I'm using a tweezer. I'll stick one to ground and one on the switch. And it's on. So we have a faulty switch. We have to replace that switch with a good switch. Let's see how we can replace this small button. Let's put it on the board holder here. Let's go on a microscope. On a microscope. Let's replace that button. This one. Let's replace this button. I'm sure this switch is faulty. Now, let's clean. Let me look for another switch. Now, let's replace this switch. We need more flags now. More flags. Because we don't want to damage this switch by too much heat. The switch is in position. Now we need to clean. We need to clean here. Now let's test if this switch is good or not. Yes, ground. Yes, plus. So I need to stick. How can I do it? One probe on the ground and the other one on the plus. Pressing. Pressing here. No, I can't see the switch working properly. I can't see this switch working properly. Yeah, the switch is not doing what it's supposed to do. So let's take down the switch because I'm not happy with the way this switch is behaving. Out. Take another one here. Which one is the plus? Which one is the ground? So this has to be like this. Let me use solder paste. I think it's the best for this kind of job. And here. Let's try again. I think we are good. Let's wait for the board to cool down and then we can test. Let's see now. After replacing this switch, after replacing the switch button, charger plugged and is taking 5 milliamps, pressing, and the board is coming on. You see, we now have a working switch. That's how it's supposed to do. So what we did, you see all these switches in serial mode on a TV board. This is the control panel for a TV board. So I just took out one here, we replace it and it's working. Let's try to switch it off, and it's off, on. And the board is turning on. So it's not about replacing the whole thing, but you have to diagonalize to see what exactly is taking place. So what I would do, let me put all together and we'll do the final test. Let's do the final test. Let's do the final test. We need the power supply. It's taking 9 milliamps standby current. Pressing the switch and the laptop is coming on. As you can see, it's taking 1.1 amp. So